Hey guys, welcome to this video. We are going to be discussing the difference between RSI and MFI, or Relative Strength Index, and the Money Flow Index, and which one I think is better and why. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Let's get into the video now so I don't have to waste your time. So if we're looking here, we can see something specific. So we're going to pull up the RSI, which is the Relative Strength Index. So I'm going to add that one. And then we're also going to add the Money Flow Index, or the MFI. So the Money Flow Index is just like the RSI. So as we can see, RSI is here and Money Flow Index is here. You may look at them and go, man, those are quite identical. And yes, they almost are. They are the same with one minor difference, or I should say one major difference. The RSI is just factoring in price, while the Money Flow Index is also factoring in volume. So it's like the volume weighted RSI. So what's beautiful about this is volume plays a crucial aspect in your trading and investing, because it can show you where support is being developed, where buyers or sellers come into the market, and volume shows so much more. So the reason for that makes MFI, or the Money Flow Index, much more important, since that it incorporates volume. And this should also be available on almost all the platforms that you're actually using. So if you're using TradingView.com or Toss like I am, or anything else, the Money Flow Index should be there. So now, as you can guess, right, we have the overbought side and we have the oversold side. So what happens when a stock gets too low, the RSI and the MFI hit these levels where it's like, okay, this would be a good dip buy. And then we also hit those levels where like, okay, it could start to sell off here. But let's start to explain this a bit more. The RSI shows the strength index. So it shows, okay, when this is trending up, the strength of the market is up. Now the Money Flow Index shows the money flow. So for instance, when it's going from up to from lower to high on the MFI, it's showing that we're having a positive money flow and into the market. I'm so sorry. But when we're seeing a move down, we're seeing a negative flow into the market. So it's assessing the flow from different types of cash and investment. So that's something that's cool to focus on and know. That's why it incorporates volume, which shows the number of buyers and sellers, and whether they're buyers or whether they're sellers. So the MFI is amazing. Now remember, something that I do want to point out, just because it has an overbought area and an oversold area does not mean that you should buy when it hits this point and sell when it hits this point. So let's give you a good example here. This one shows it started to hit the oversold side, meaning that is a good dip buy at this level right here on SPY, but that obviously was not the best time to buy. You want to start, or you want to use these indicators because they are lagging, which means that they follow price a bit too long. You want to use them in conjunction with other things. So I know that I have a video topic plan, which is going to show you the 4 best tips to catch dips and dip buy. So make sure that you subscribe to get that video when it comes out. But this indicator is just one of many to use when you're trying to buy dips and other types of things like that. But as you can see, when these highs start getting higher and the lows start getting higher as well, which meaning that the RSI and the MFI are showing an uptrend, we start to see some positive flow of money into the market. So that's why we start to see a push up. So again, an indicator just helps you visually understand what's happening in the market. So again, if you're looking to use either the RSI or MFI, I would really say you need to use both and see which one you like best. But overall, looking at it from a math perspective, the MFI is going to beat the RSI because it also factors in volume. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you understand the difference between RSI and MFI, and you know how to use it now for the market. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please claim your free resources below this video to learn more about investing and swing trading and more, because I do have a swing trading 101 course coming out soon, a free course, I should say. So make sure you stay tuned for that.